Yeah.
But even most of the parents were saying that some of the basic items they wouldn't be able to afford.
Yeah.
So they really appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah,
And
man.
you know the message that you have for these children.
Sure.
Can you give me a quick message?
Yeah, well, you know, just tell you them to just keep focused. Know that your education is the key, and be obedient to your parent and your guardian. You know what I mean? Listen to your teacher. Don't be disrespectful to the teacher. Always remember, keep your focus. You know, be yourself as you, and you know what I mean. Don't follow bad company. You know what I mean? And just know that education is the ultimate. So you just have to just focus and you know make your mama proud, and make your papa proud, and make your family proud, make your country proud. You know what I mean? Make yourself proud. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So as I said, the youths are the future. So anything for the youth, them ready. You know what I say?
And I got here at 9:39 a.m. because they said start at 10, so I wanted to get here early.
That's good.
And when I got here, I saw a lot of red shirts. I see a lot of volunteers. And I know that a lot of planning would have gone into this. I don't know if you want to pick up some of your sponsors or pick up your team.
Yeah, man. Go and big up everyone who play a part. You know what I mean? Everybody who, you know, give their contribution. It's always a joy and a blessing. As I said, unity is definitely strength. You know what I mean? Getting together, you know, and make it happen. I want to big up the whole team. You know what I mean? I want to big up Susan, Chama, you know what I mean? Whole works, you know, everybody who, you know, play a part, you know what I mean? So it's a joy and a blessing. As I said, it is empowering for the kids, and it is meaningful and it is uplifting. So, you know, we just have to do it, you know what I mean? And when you're doing something good, you know, everybody will go and play a part, you know what I mean? For real. So, you know, I get more volunteers than more than I could ask for, you know what I mean? But as I say, give thanks to the people who give their contribution and their input, you know what I mean?
And finally, something had to be here today, so we traveled the length and breadth.
Well, I have to big up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, the Sun City, I want my favorite, you know what I mean? Because, you know the thing, you know what I mean? Big up mama. You know what I mean? Big up mama in a Zion, see me, you know the thing, you see me? But I want to big up Sun City. So, you know, for always supporting me. Everything we keep going to do, Sun City, you know, always, you know, come and support. And I give thanks for that, you know what I mean? Because, as I said, you know, do good and good will follow you. And when you see people are do good and you know, and do something meaningful, you know, you have to try to give them a strength, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Well, it's well appreciated and right on time. On the last appearance, you know, they get a start. So yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
For the rest of the day.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. I'm grateful and thankful, you know, for passing through. You know, give thanks again. Big up the whole Sun City clan. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Whole Portmore, you know the thing. Whole St. Catherine, St. Mary, I come from. Dep on the gang, I will have with the youth them. You know? Yeah, man. It's a blessing. Holy Emmanuel, I still see I Jah, Rastafari. Good will always prevail over evil. So continue to do good, and good will always follow you. Blessed love.